大家好，我是麦克老师，欢迎你跟我一起到日本旅游。坐春秋一直晚点 so we're delayed about 3 hours so far, hoping to get on the plane soon, but this is the last time I take Spring Airlines. Finally, we're boarding. Finally made it. It's like 6 a.m. I'm really tired. I'm just gonna go to the hotel and crash. Try to get a few hours of Z's before I set out for the day and enjoy my first day in Japan. 但是我不会太激动，因为我困死了。Please wash yourself. 这是洗我自己吗？还是把我弄脏的一些盘子洗干净？ So let's talk about transportation in Japan. It is expensive. Look at this. Here's my train ticket to the airport. That's about 250 RMB one way. It's crazy here. Furthermore, it is extremely complicated. The problem is there's 7 different companies running train lines and they're all competing. Just look at these maps. They're crazy. Not to mention the machines are just not user-friendly. There's nothing in English. I can't understand anything. So after a couple days of trying to figure out the trains, I just gave up. And I rented a bicycle instead, which was much easier, much more convenient. There's bike lanes everywhere. You can go wherever you want, and it's much cheaper. Things to do. Oh man, it's hot today, but I'm loving it. I just came straight down to the river here. You can see, you can walk across it. It's really cool. Water is so cool. It feels so nice. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do in Kyoto. Some of the pros are temples, if you like temples. Every tourist spot, every temple has so many Chinese people. 你猜大家都是日本人还是中国人？如果你猜到中国人，你就对的。That's not a bad thing, but they're all wearing kimonos, taking pictures, pretending to be Japanese. Also from Kyoto, you can take a trip to Nara and see all these deer walking around and feed them. It's like a big park, and the deer just walk around the city. They can go anywhere. They're wild. They're free. There's not much else to do there other than see the deer. Best thing to do is get a bike. As I said, the transportation is so complicated and it's so expensive. You can rent a bike for about 800 Japanese yen, which is about 50 RMB for the whole day. And it's really safe, it's really easy to get around on bikes. Very difficult to find parking. You can't just park anywhere here. It's a little annoying, but if you look a little, you can find parking spots. And of course, the other most popular thing here, shopping. You can get all kinds of things here. For example, I went shopping for headphones. Now I know why everybody comes to Japan to go shopping. I'm just trying to buy some headphones, but look at this place. Headphones. Now I've just spent a whole hour trying to get a pair of headphones. Free foot massage. Oh, feels good. I just spent about 20 minutes getting a foot massage. Now I'm in the full massage chair, and it is the best. I might be here for a while. Gosh, I love shopping here. It's so hot. I'm a little jealous of this guy. But I think my favorite thing here is just coming down to the river. Oh, so strong. Love this river. I'm gonna take you guys on a quick tour of the apartment I got off Airbnb. Here we are. So here's the living room. You can see it has a little kitchen, a little closet, a little balcony, a futon, which turns into a bed, which is awesome. It has a nice little bathroom as well. This is so cool. Down. Wash your hands. Up. Take a shower. Of course, Japan has awesome food. I had my favorite food, sushi, here a couple times. We had ramen. Ramen 用中文来说就是拉面，但是在美国的 ramen 就是泡面的那种，不是很好吃，但是很便宜。But check out this ramen here. The beef was amazing. The soup was awesome. And it should be. I paid like 100 kwai for this thing. Japan's famous for its beef, so of course I tried different kinds of beef. They really have all kinds of different food, including a lot of fried food, which surprised me. But have a look at some of the stuff I ate. Bingsha, I love you. I still have no idea what Japanese people eat for breakfast. Every day I wake up and there's nothing open. Overall, my time in Kyoto was really awesome, so I really recommend it for any of you guys who want to go. The Japanese people are really nice, really kind. 但是我还是有点难过，因为不管我去哪里，我哪里就会交一个本地人的朋友，但是这一个旅途我没交过一个日本的朋友。So if you want to visit Japan on a budget, you can expect to spend at least 300 RMB a night on a place to stay. Probably for every meal, at least 50 to 60 RMB or more. If you want to get a really fancy meal, you're going to spend 600, 700, 800,000 RMB on a really fancy beef steak dinner. Traveling, the trains, the subways are also quite expensive, so be prepared for that. Just going 1 or 2 stops on the subway is going to cost you 15 RMB. Airplane tickets on Spring Air, one way is about 600 RMB, so not too bad, but it's Spring Air, so good luck. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me some comments below. 差不多没了，我是麦克老师，下次见，拜拜。Check this out, giant Pocky. It's like 800 yen, 50 RMB. I think it's worth it. Give it a shot.